Welcome to the JMT.
Hi people, I greet you now and welcome now once again to this our news channel. Make una do it to always follow us, like and subscribe. On today's news, I carry entertainment news can't give you now. All of us know this popular Nigerian artist where they call Yemi Alade. She don't come out to give fast encounter of wetin happened to her when she dey grow up and when she dey sing dey come. She come talk say e get one time for one talent show where she go say person steal her song wey she supposed to sing on stage. She come still talk how one judge inspire her to go for her dreams. My people, I wan play una the video make una hear wetin Yemi Alade get to talk.
Shaking like you know when you stand in front of fan and you're singing. It was terrible. It was bad. But what's her name? This female rapper, Weird MC.
Yeah.
She was so kind to me.
She was one of the judges, right?
Yes. Yeah. She saw something and said that she can hear my nerves, but she believes that there is a voice in me. And I really thank God for positioning her that day, because when I watched my auditions, it was terrible. I would not select me if I were a judge. But she heard something, and that means she has an ear for greatness. And yeah, that's how I went to the Peak Talent show. We auditioned at Police College grounds in Ikeja, GRA. And it was a nationwide competition. So we're talking about millions. You know, Nigerians are too talented. Yeah. Millions of people turning up. And somehow I made it to top 120. I still found it as a big joke.
Did it help your confidence? Because this was you who had no confidence.
Yes, actually, it helped my confidence a little. I was surprised, but I still wasn't moved. I mean, I was ready to go home. That's my mentality. Me when I do, make I go. Then the one that now bust my medulla oblongata is when we got to top 60, and you know how it is, because you're singing so many songs and you meet new people. You guys start talking about the songs and trying to choose songs. The person in front of me had his own song. Next thing he went on stage, started singing my own song. And we have 20 seconds each to be on that stage. What will I sing?
Did he know that you were supposed to sing that song?
Of course.
So he stole it from you?
Yes, maybe he heard where I sang and decided that if he sings it,
he will pass
me. He abandoned his own and I don't know his song. I went to go and sing my own. See, in this life, be careful who you tell your moves.
Your truth.
Some people will either try to block it, counteract it, or just be in your way in general. Spoil your moves.
That's an early lesson in life.
You know, I was shocked. 20 seconds. 20 seconds not enough to recover.
I'm sure when you went up, you're like this.
Do you know what I did? I was now. The crowd was already saying, because it was a crowd. It was a free crowd, obviously. And they were like, what's this one? What's doing this one? Like, there's some people that, you know, some areas were there. Yeah. They're like, really? They're already giving me that vibe. Me, I'm already afraid. What I did? I sang the same song again.
Like after him.
You know the terrible thing about music? One of the thing actually about music is that the element of surprise is a big deal.
Yeah.
The fact that someone had just sang that song and I was going up 20 seconds after him to sing the song again, it just kind of gives the impression that I'm unprepared and unserious. First of all, like, I don't get here. You know, everything the guy don't sing. Because nobody knows the back end story. He sang, Sha. Not the way I would.
But it was your song.
It was mine. Oh. So, and then I went on stage, I sang the song, and then Great MC again cut me short. So like, no. Wait, is it that you did not hear that someone had sang that song? I was trying to say, he took my, but my tongue was tied. I never see this kind of thing my whole life. And everything was happening at the same time. And she did something that no one did all through that night. She gave me another opportunity to pick another song, which I did. And I made it to top 25.
What song was that?
I don't remember. No, I think it was Natasha. DJ